Hey guys, so this video is gonna take. Oh, you didn't hear that? This video takes 1 minute after the Five Nights at Freddy Arizona one. But yeah, you could already see. You could see my face. I'm right here. I'm just trying to see any lightning. Well, yeah, not caught, but like see. Oh, this is a bad time. I have to go to the bathroom. See, look, nothing's happening right now. See? You see, like, nothing's happening right now. 3, 2, 1. 3 to 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I want to do perfect timing.